Hello, teachers and students. Welcome to Anna's Poetry Alive workshop. Every year, schools invite me for a poetry workshop for the Poets in School programs. It's a funding program by the League of Canadian Poets and the Ontario Arts Council. Thank them for doing that, and also thank schools and teachers for inviting me. But this year, due to COVID-19, all schools are closed. So, I want to make this online Poetry Alive workshop. So, let's start. At the beginning, I want you to do a games and fun activities. I know all of us now stayed at home, and some of you feel bored. The same for me. Every day, I try to keep happy and healthy, and I doing one sport. So guess which sport you can do at home? Well, you see, I played table tennis at home. Do you think I'm good? If you don't, okay, challenge me next time when I visit your school. Okay. Now you wonder, we are doing poetry. Where is the poetry? Our next screen will show you the poem. I wrote a poem about table tennis. I want you to read it 2 times and think about what kind of technique in table tennis and what can you learn from the poem. Send me your comments or discuss with your teachers. Online poetry workshop is very different from when I visit schools doing the poetry workshops. At the schools, all the students will have the voice to share, and I will ask them to read the poems, and we will analyze them and discuss more details. But here online, I will leave this to you. You can follow your own pace, and I hope you enjoy it. Our next game, I want you to have fun to guess my day job, and you will watch a short movie about 2 minutes. And watch the movie. I want you to guess my background and my day job. How about that? We'll come back. Hey, I hear you. You want me to read the poem for you online. Okay, I will do that. As you can see, I've already published 5 poetry collections. And I will read one from this book, and it was published in 2015 by Blackmore's. And I will read the poem. The title is My Accent. My accent. It is charming, I assure you, I assure myself, and choose to believe so. Languages have colors, I want to show you my tender blue, but you cut off with fork and knife, quicker than my chopstick taps. My accent grows trees, trails, and winding roads towards the west coast landscape. It points to the open sky, yet clouds too heavy and form raindrops. My papers collect them, then dry in silence. I have hesitated many times before speaking. Now it develops teeth, even with gaps between. I decide this is my voice. Let us discuss the poem, and I want you to read it 2 more times, and we will discuss about the poetic device and the poetic license. Write about your thoughts and share your comments under the link or send to me. Finally, we are here to finish our workshop today, and I hope you enjoy it, and please share your poems and with your teachers, and also hopefully send to me. I can post on my website, and I hope to see you all again in the future. Please stay home, keep safe. Thank you.